Hi Road Rush Nation. Let's talk about the difference between a Street Glide Special and the new Street Glide ST, and which is right for you. Come on, let's discuss. There's a lot of excitement with the new 2022 Harley line of new bikes. One line with the most excitement is that new ST line. The Street Glide ST is one of those models. There's been excitement and there's been, let's just say, call it grumblings from social network groups that I'm part of. I will constantly hear complaints on, oh, it costs too much. There's no passenger seat. Oh, it needs stretched bags. Oh, it needs this. That's a lot of money not to get this. There's just a lot of whys and whats. I think the problem is that people don't realize that for all the things that they are complaining is missing is actually a performance enhancement. Let me explain. You've got another whole line of bikes called the Street Glide Special. That's for, hey, touring. It's set up differently. The ST is set up for the horsepower enthusiast who wants to go out there and race. Let me introduce you to one of those type of people. This is Zach Nation, and I'm sure you've seen videos of him riding this Dyna. He will ride a Harley to its limits. His dream has been to race Harleys, and now he has that chance. The ST line is made for guys like this, for riders like this. If you haven't heard of the new racing league called the King of Baggers, you have been missing out.
And now we have Travis Wyman jumping up in the mix, also on a Harley Davidson. So the Wyman brother is going to try to take down O'Hara, who's on that Indian.
Racing baggers and riders like Zach Nation are what inspired the creation of the ST line. It's designed for the racer in mind. So what makes the Street Glide Special so special then? Well, it's for the riders who are touring, riding to work, taking a long cross-country trip. The Special is special. So let's discuss the difference between a Street Glide Special and the new ST models. If you're not familiar, I have a Street Glide Special. This is a 2021 Arctic Blast. It's all hand painted by Gunslinger out of Colorado, and there's only 500 in the world and only 400 in the United States. This is number 219. Love this bike. Now this bike is perfect for me, well, for a couple of reasons. It's a Street Glide Special. It has a 114 on it, which I totally love. It gives me the horsepower that I'm looking for and the torque. It comes with a Street Glide Special is set up more for a touring. If you're going to be going on rides and you're going to be riding with a passenger, the Street Glide Special is really already set up for that once you get it. You don't have to do anything special. A Special is set up for touring. It's for cruising. It's for bar hopping. It's for going to the grocery store, taking you every day to work. It's heavier than the ST models, and there's a reason for it. It's got the creature comforts you want. Now, it doesn't slack on being hopped up and having that performance you may want, but the ST is set up for those that want to take their bike to the limit, race it, take it to the track, take it to the canyons. Remember Zach? He's riding those canyons. Oh, by the way, he's now getting his opportunity to race baggers in the Racing Bagger League.
All right, so this is Rodney, man. Revolution Performance, the Mad Monkey, Brandon White.
Cinderella story, Nation behind us.
Let me tell you, man, we haven't finished the race quite yet, but here we come. Zach Nation coming back. From a wreck.
1.5 laps.
Nearly totaled the bike. And here we come.
Get it with that twin.
Hopefully this gave you an idea of the difference between the ST and a Special, and it helps you pick the right bike for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video. Hope to catch you on the highways, and remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.